guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got a kind of unique unboxing, random unboxing from Amazon. Before we get started, I just want to give a good shout out to the channel members. Thank all you guys. Ask any of you who are new here, who are not subscribed yet, if you would, to please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. I will keep EDC content coming out and coming your way. But with that being said, today we are going to get into this kind of random package from Amazon. And our unboxing knife is going to be the little fixed blade Tucson TS247. Once we open this big box, we'll get little boxes out of it. I hate that they ship with paper or this plastic because I can't reuse it. Otherwise, plastic does me no good. So we got a couple of little EDC items here. Let me put my fixie back up. And we'll start out with this little guy right here. So y'all might have seen this or something similar in an earlier video from last week, but this is actually a yellow synthetic smooth Sod Buster Jr. in tool steel as opposed to the stainless. The last one I got was a little underwhelming, but it was a nice knife, so I'm curious what you get with the case knife, guys. And I'm sure the nice one's coming too. This is a little product information card. Find an authorized dealer, blah, blah, blah. And then this little tissue paper wrapped up knife. So, give me just a second here. We will take a look at this Sod Buster Jr. in tool steel. It's a yellow synthetic when the other one I had was bone. It's not really centered either. Deep, deep hollow grind. Sharp-ish. USA on the blade there, case XX there, and this I want to say CV chromium vanadium or something like that. I'll put it in the description with the link from Amazon where I got it, because it's not the stainless, and you can tell it's not stainless. Let's get a coupon. I have a feeling it's not going to be super slicey yet. It is going to require some work. No, it's pretty slicey. Put it this way. I've had another case come out of the box that was not nearly that slicey. So I'll still hunt it up. But anyway, I like the first Sod Buster. It found a new home to the brother from another mother who introduced me to the full-size Sod Buster. I wanted to let that one go down to him, because again, it was a stainless. I wanted to try one in tool steel. These little knives, guys, are very economical, depending on, I guess, what economical is. This guy, I want to say, was about $35, between $30 and $35. Again, I'll put that link in the description of this video. But that is the case Sod Buster Jr. in synthetic yellow. I like it. Looks kind of older. Think it's cool. Put that off to the side. And the second thing that we got is, if you guys know, and you've been watching my videos or seeing me on my live streams, I have recently discovered the brand RovyVon, right? I've got my angel eyes over where I sit, but I've got a bunch of little bitty ones, and I'd seen this one, which is before I mess you guys up. This is just an unboxing, but this is the S3. The RovyVon S3 comes with a little doodad, probably telling you not to eat it. Comes with a little instruction book, which I will eventually read, but these controls are very intuitive. Comes with a little lanyard thingy. Surprisingly, it comes with a USB-C cable, and it comes with a clip. That clip does not have the magnet on it, which is fine, but it's a little different, and it comes with a light. And I think the first thing you gotta do is take this little plastic off here, because it does have a removable rechargeable battery. Take that little piece of plastic off. All right, guys. So what we have here, get this out of the way, is a little S3 tie. Let me get my pocket clip. It looks like it's a one-way on. I don't know about the clip. I have to think about that. I might put a lanyard on it. But anyway, on the bottom, you've got the USB charge port. You've got this little tritium slot or lanyard loop. You've got a lanyard loop here, and then you've got this little hardened glass breaker. Guys, this thing is small. To give you an idea, I don't have my other O-light over here, but I do have my little baton. So this is the S3 next to the little baton. And then, let's see here. Get a couple of smaller lights. This is it next to the little stream light. The little EOS. And then the little angel eyes that started it all for me. But as you can tell, it is a really small light. It is titanium, which is kind of what I wanted. Not that I'm bougie, but I just thought it would be cool to have more than just a bunch of little tiny flashlights. Guys, I've got too many flashlights. But anyway, real clean titanium. Push and hold it. It hits the full beam, full torch. Click it twice. It turns it on. That's the moonlight mode. I can just step through the brightness, and this is 1800 lumens. Back to moonlight mode. Cycles through the 4 brightnesses. Back to moonlight mode. Push it and hold it to turn it off. And again, the feature that I like is I can just push it and hold it, and I get the full beam. I like the weight of it. It doesn't feel too heavy, but it does feel a little more. This is the one that I've been carrying recently. And this one I want to say 600 looms. And I want to say this one's 1300. But this little guy is very easy to carry. I've got it set up where I can put it on the brim of my hat and wear it as a headlamp. So again, it's got its place. Very, very handy, very useful, but I just wanted a little bigger, nicer light. I dig this one. What I don't dig about it, or what I'm not digging about it yet, is this clip just seems a little jinxy. Now it's not coming off, it's not going anywhere. But it just makes the light feel nearly not as comfortable. I think that could have been done a little differently. I don't know how, but on the flip side of that, this little deal since I don't have any lanyard cord. Uh-oh, I forgot they sent you extra covers, extra O-ring. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Put the clip up. But this little doohickey is set up to do this. This will drive you guys crazy because now I've gone into squirrel OCD brain. Let's get this thing threaded. I don't think I'm going to like this either, guys, in terms of the tether. The tether as she goes. So I guess you could have it with a little chungalango on it that you can adjust and make it fit tighter on your wrist. But anyways, guys, again, this is just an unboxing. Take this chain link dingo off. And probably the best way to carry this will be, this might be one that finds its way into my bug out bag. But those are the three little emitters. Again, very easy operation. Don't think I'll ever use the glass breaker, but it's there. It's a cool little light. I'll let you know what I think about it, guys. So today's Amazon unboxing yielded us the case, Sod Buster, which I'll put a link in there. And then I'll put a link off of where I picked up the RovyVon S3. There's another RovyVon that I was wrestling with when I got this one. This one was a little more expensive. They're both titanium. The other one is about this tall, but it's a little narrower, a little thinner. And what I noticed about it is it's got two buttons. And I really didn't dig the two button deal because one of them's on, one of them's off. One of the things I like about the form factor of the RovyVons with the one button is that kind of easy operation. But besides that, it was lower looms. It looked a little longer, again, a little thinner, a little bit less expensive, but again, this one was a lot brighter. So I think I got the right one. And if y'all know me, hopefully I'm done with my my flashlights. We will see, I think, let's see. All right, so that's not in the manual, but see how it's blinking red now? I just clicked it 5 times and it locked it out. So when you read reviews on this light on Amazon, because I did too, there were several people that said this light was flawed because it didn't have a lockout feature. Well, I read further into the reviews. Let's see if I can get it to unlock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think I hit it enough times. Yeah, I did. All right, but that you click it 5 times real fast, even though it's not in the manual, and it'll lock it out if that's one of the safety concerns that you have. Again, 2 clicks turns it on moonlight, low, medium, high, back to moonlight, push it and hold it, off, push it and hold it down, gives you your floodlight or your brightest light. I just don't think there's anything easier, guys. I love it. USB-C, we'll see how it goes. This one's a little more unique because it does have a replaceable, I forget what size battery, but those batteries are, you know, you can get them at e-cig shops or at battery shops. So if you wanted to have a charged battery to back it up so that if you were out, you didn't have something to quick recharge it with, you could swap in another charged battery and be good to go. Guys, that's all I've got for you today. I'm glad y'all stopped by. Be looking for the giveaway videos for this week's Friday Night Flicks, Friday Night Live. And please, guys, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Whoops. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.